Central Taiwan. Taichung has a population of approximately 2.8 million. If you are directly from Taoyuan Airport, the best way to travel to Taichung is by train. There are two types of train. One is HSR and the other one is the regular train. The HSR is twice as expensive as TRA or a regular train. We tried HSR, only 45 minutes from Taoyuan Airport. It's an awesome trip. From HSR, we will transfer to TRA, going to Taichung TRA station.
Sobra.
Siksikan kami sa isang kolong na to. Dahil yung hangin.
Malamig na mahangin.
Yung hangin. Pamatay.
Ang tagal pa ng train. Ginawa na ginawa. Wala kami papatag.
It's a rainy afternoon here in Taichung, so nag-decide kami to take a taxi para makarating kami sa aming hotel. It's only 800 meters from TRA station. After nakapag-check-in kami, nag-decide kami na mag-gala na muna para hindi masayang oras namin. Pero sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, ang hirap kumala pag ganito. So, we decided to go back in our hotel.
Oh, that smells good. Yeah. Okay.
We walk
And we saw the
so
7-Eleven.
far, but already freezing. So
Yeah.
let's stop.
Yeah.
Back.
This is our room. Medyo malaki. 2 double beds plus 1 single bed. Pwedeng 5 person. Sleeping time. Good night.
Wow! Parang Baguio.
Taichung Park is an urban park in North District, Taichung, Taiwan. It's the oldest park in Taichung, and it's built in the Japanese ruling era with an area of 10 acres. The park was constructed in 1908. You can reach Taichung Park from HSR Taichung Station and take a bus 82 and get off at Guyanso Station.
Pero wag ka squirrel. Di ba mainap ang squirrel? Kapag na pinipicturean ko apat ganyan lang, isang 1 meter lang, pinipicturean ko siya.
Dami nga squirrel eh. Ang ganda-ganda. Saka hindi sila aloof, hindi sila natatakot. Oh, grabe. Itong breakfast namin. Heavy breakfast. Yan. Actually, isa sa hotel lang. Okay.
Thank you.
This is our breakfast. Assorted. Ano to? Buffet. Buffet, pero karindirian natin niya. Pero buffet In fairness mababay talaga tao dito sa Taiwan. Hindi sila abusado sa mga foreigner. Kaya gusto namin dito. Kasi magic, it all you can 200 Taiwan dollar.
have a best day here in Taichung. Although we have a limited time, we have the chance to visit other places here in Taichung. Next time, we will try to stay longer here in Taichung. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. God bless everyone.